Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Animals World. Welcome bird enthusiasts and nature lover to a visual journey like no other. In today's video, we are diving deep into the colorful and captivating world of parrot birds. These magnificent creatures with their vibrant plumage and charming personalities. Parrots, with their playful and clownish personalities, are a joy to observe and capture in photos. These parrots are known for their vibrant plumage, exceptional acrobatics, and charismatic nature. We shall highlight the black-headed, red-headed, and beautiful white-bellied cuckoo in the segment as we celebrate the beauty of Parrot's bird in these stunning images. It's crucial to remember the importance of parrot conservation. Many parrot species are endangered due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. We shall discuss the efforts being made to protect these incredible birds and how you can contribute to their preservation. In this visual journey through the mesmerizing world of parrot birds, we have explored the astonishing colors, personalities, and diversities of these feathered wonders. From the majestic macaws to the playful concords, parrots continue to inspire and enchant us with their vibrant plumage and charming behaviors. Remember to appreciate and protect these magnificent creatures as they are a vital part of our natural world. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to like and share. Thank you for joining us on this colorful adventure and we shall see you in next video. Thanks for watching.